One of the things that you can do using Adobe Spark is to brand your designs. But for this, you do need a premium subscription. So I'm on my Adobe Spark post page right here. So I'm just going to select out a template right here and create it out. And what I'm going to do now is add in a logo there to add in a brand to the design. So you can see that the template has been loaded. And once you go over here on to add and on to the logo right over here, you'll be able to see that I have my primary logo set as the TutorTube logo right over there. So once I were to click over this, you'll be able to see that my logo has been added in there. So I can work around with the order, I can work around with its opacity to actually place it out. This is just like an image, so you can place it anywhere you want. So it is just there. If you want to add in your logo, you can press on the plus icon right over here, and then I have it in my desktop. As you can see, it's a PNG image, so I can just open that out and it'll be loaded out there as the logo that will be added in your Spark post page right over there. So just like this, you can also add in the logo. And now as I add in the logo, you can see that it added it in a different place. So just like this, the logo will be available over here. So just like that, what you can actually do is you can go over to your projects and saving my project now. So I'm going to also look at the logo for video now. So even for Spark Video, you'll have the access to it. So you can create a Spark Video as well. So once I do that, I'm just going to say test and I'm going to press next so that it loads it out. And here, just going to close it. So now I'm in my Spark Video, and over here on the bottom, you can see the logo right there. So you can click on edit the stamp. That's where you get your logo from. So it says add your brand, and I'm going to start now. Once I do that, it'll load up my brand right over here. So it'll go up to the brands area of my Adobe Spark where I can upload my logo, which I already have. You can select the color and you can select your font. In my case, like I have already done it, but what you can do is on the logo part, you can actually click over here, select the picture of the logo right there. And based on the logo, what it will do is it'll select the color for you. So you don't actually need to have designing knowledge. So you can see the logo colors right here. So you can choose the color that you feel is suitable for your brand and then select the font. So just go over here. You can upload your own font over here as well, or you can choose among one of the fonts which is actually there. So once that is done, you can simply press next right over here and you can name your brand. So TutorTube. So what this does is it creates a color scheme and a theme for your brand. So whenever you design something, it actually creates such a brand for you. So we can click on create my brand right over here, and it says hang tight, your Adobe Spark is actually creating a brand for you. So once the brand has been created, you can see this window. You can say got it, thanks, or you can also add another brand. And then you can also manage multiple brands if you want to. So I'm just going to skip it. And here we are in the brand page. So here what we have is we have some templates. We have some options to actually start working on. So over here, you can see that there's create your own branded templates right over here. So you can start working on it. So you can click on create your own branded templates. So it is creating a new template, as you can see. And once it creates my brand, you can see that everything is being loaded right over here. You can see our colors here, the layout colors and everything. It has been rearranged according to my brand. So you can get all of the settings right over here, just like in the previous option. But if you were to go to layout, select some option, you can select the color brands right over here, and then it'll just run through the colors of your particular brand. So you can select different layouts right over here. Different layouts you can choose. You can shuffle these out and it'll create a design according to the colors in your logo. So how cool is that? And you can just save it out. So just like that, we're going to see other options as well. So even in brand, you have option to choose videos as well. So once you actually go over here onto the brands, so that was for the graphic design, and you can see it right over here. So there's logo color. If I were to scroll down, you'll be able to see that you can also choose a website according to, that is the web page according to your brand, and even videos according to your brand. So you want to go for light, so just click on edit and it'll create a template for you. So it lets you choose story title and everything, and you can see that everything else is like this. So all the color scheme and everything is according to your particular design. So you can go for these kind of titles right here, and just like that, you can see right over here. So it'll actually be based upon the colors of your logo. So how cool is that? So that is how you can manage brands. So that is how you can use branding and logo option inside of Adobe Spark. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.